Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the Bright and Beautiful suite of products, mainly something that's really not in the suite. We're going to be working with the Memories and More that coordinates with the Bright and Beautiful suite of products. So this is the Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card pack. It does not come in this stamp case. I just store mine in here, as well as the Bright and Beautiful Memories and More cards and envelopes. Okay, that's what we're going to be working with today. So happy July, everyone. It's the 1st of July. Yay! So I have a lot of news. My birthday is at the end of this month. So all month long, we're going to be celebrating my birthday. That is why I have chosen the Bright and Beautiful suite of products to use. So we're going to be focusing on the Memories and More, but it does coordinate with this suite of products. So you get the stamp set, the dies, and of course, if you purchase this as a bundle, you'll save 10%. But it also has coordinating designer series paper that is 6x6, and the Gold Celebration designer series paper, which is a specialty acetate with gold foiling on it, and it has 3 different designs in that. Okay, so let me show you. This is on page 14 and 15, and you can find the Memories and More on page 134 and 135. So these are the envelopes, and this is the card pack. Okay, so before we get started on our project, let's go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we're going to start with the Fun and Sun Paper Pumpkin Kit for July. You have until the 10th of July to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit, and there is a link in the description box below to do so. This kit is going to make 9 cards, and it has a Daffodil Delight stamping spot, and it has a Summertime Ephemera pack, okay? Lastly, we have our July 2023 host code special. This month I have a special. When you use my host code, whenever you place an order of $60 or more before shipping and tax, I'm going to send you a free Bright and Beautiful Memories and More card pack, okay? That is not the envelopes and the card bases, it's the card pack. This is 1 per customer during this special, as long as you use this host code. Whenever you place an order with me, always use the host code for the month. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use the host code, because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. And if your order is $150 or more, you will still qualify for this free gift from me, even without using the host code, okay? That's the only time you don't have to use the host code, is when it's $150 or more, and you'll still qualify for the free gift for this month, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's get started on our project. I am trying to use basically just the card kit and envelopes without adding in any other stamps or anything. I am adding other card stock, but not stamps. So we have 2 cards we're going to make, and we're going to start with this one. With this background, this is one of the cards from the cards and envelope. Oh, let me show you the envelopes, because you get 20 cards, 10 of this design and 10 of the other. I'm going to show you in a minute. And then you get 20 envelopes. So this is the envelope. So if you want to, you can cut this envelope apart and use it to make cards as well. But it's a great value. I think it's only $11 for the 20 cards and envelopes. And so that's a pretty good deal. So if you place an order and then you get the card pack for free, you can put this on your order, the envelopes and cards. So this is one of the cards that came out of the kit, out of the card pack rather. And I cut it down using the 4th largest deckled rectangle die. This is the 3rd largest. So I use the 3rd and the 4th, and this I am matting it on the Lemon Lolly. That is the color that coordinates with the colors in this card pack. Okay, and do I want to pop that up on dimensionals? I'm not sure. So we have a 1 3/4 punch here, circle punch. This punch is available still in the inline store. This is just the old style, but they It is available on the online store. And I am going to get a sticker from one of our sticker sheets. It says party time. And we're going to put this right in the middle here. Is that in the middle? Sort of, kind of. Okay. So I'm trying to decide if I want to pop up everything or just the circle. I think I'm going to just pop up the circle. So we're going to put this on here. A little more towards the top than the bottom, because we're going to add our circle on. And these card bases, I think they're 4 1/8 by 6 1/8, I believe. Or 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. I'm not sure. I'm sure it says it somewhere. Let me see. Yeah, they're 6 1/4 by 4 1/4, the envelopes. I mean the card bases. Okay, why isn't this staying down? Did I not put enough glue? Let's get a Stampin' Dimensional. Some dimensionals to put on here. Whoop. Okay, I guess you want to be used. You're jumping off. I wasn't gonna get that. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little bit. We're gonna pop that right there. And I am thinking I want to add some ribbon. I have some Lemon Lolly ribbon. This is the sheer ribbon combo pack. It comes with 3 in the pack, and it is Azure Afternoon and Bubble Bath are the other 2. They have like a little silver something along the edges, but I want to see if we can maybe, I don't know, just do a little zigzag maybe behind this circle here, like this, and pop that up. Oh yeah, I think that'd be cute. Where are my scissors? Let's go ahead and cut us some ribbon here. And we're going to get some tearing tape. We're going to pop our ribbon on this tearing tape. So let's do the little zigzaggy again. Where's the tear tape? I have lost it already. Oh. I should have put it in the other direction. But we're gonna get this. Uh-oh. How did that flip in and out? Okay. Let's just do it like this. Okay. This is a simple card, and I'm making it more difficult. I'm gonna have to trim that ribbon down. I probably should have. Oh, that is cute. Let's make this straight. Oh, I like that. I do. Let's trim these tails. There we go. Okay, and then for the last bit of this card, we are going to add on some of the Tinsel Gems 4-pack. How do I get it open? It's in the front. These colors in here are Pretty Peacock, Blueberry Bushel, Berry Burst, and Lemon Lime Twist. So what colors do we want to do? So we have the Lemon Lime and the Lolly. I don't want to use any of the pink or the blue because I'm thinking this could be a birthday card or a baby shower, and we don't know the ginger, so let's use, I think these are the Lemon Lolly ones up here. Let's put one there. I want a large one down here. And another big one. Maybe 2 down here. Yeah, let me see if I can get that one up. Like that. Okay, that is our first card done. Let me move all this junk to the side. So that's the first card. I like that. That's cute. Okay, I didn't have it all planned where I was going to put everything. So now this is the second card. This one is going to be using more of the cards from the kit, from the card pack. I keep saying kit. Okay, this is the second card base that you get in the envelopes and cards. And this is one of the cards from the card pack. It says good times, but we're going to be using this side. So I'm going to go ahead and, no, I'm not going to glue that down yet. So I have here some blueberry bushel. This is 4 by 3, and I've cut down this card from the pack to 2 7/8 by 3 7/8. I just took a little bit off so that we can mount it on this blueberry bushel layer. Do it just like that. And then I want this way, I believe. Yeah. Which way? Then we're just gonna mount this right onto our card here. Try to get it central, and I want to get it to the edge. Oop, let's move up a little bit. There we go. Right on the edge there. Now we can, do I want ribbon on this? No, no ribbon. I was thinking about the bubble bath ribbon since we have it. I told you I haven't. I love this ombre look, but this is going to cover most of it up. But it's still cute. Okay. So then, and then, we are going to take this card and our scissors, and we're going to cut out, today will be great. So it says, you can do this, good times, today will be great, congrats, hello, lovely, and best wishes. And I just want to do the today will be great. And I'm cutting it with scissors because, as you can see, the lines in here are wavy, so I'm not worried about it being perfectly straight. So if it's not straight, I'm fine with that. Okay, so we're going to put this over to our scraps, so we will keep that. And this is going to be going across here. I think I want to pop that up on dimensionals or leave it flat. I think I want to pop it up. I'm not sure. So I have a little piece of blueberry bushel here. I'm not sure how long it is. I just know it's a 1/2 inch wide, but I didn't really measure it. I'm going to pop one of this sticker that says congratulations on it. And I can't remember. Ooh, that's not straight. That's not on there straight at all. Oh, no. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do, because I didn't get that on there too good. This is why I'm telling you I didn't measure this. I don't want that much of a border. Okay. And then we're going to put, today will be a great day. Congratulations. So, do we want to pop this up? I think we do. I think we want to pop this up. Let me get my dimensionals. And what I'm going to use are these edges for this long one here. We're just going to put this right on the back. These, put this about right here, like so. Then we're going to get this edge and pop it on here. I did not have that planned, but that worked out perfect. The edges that were available. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. I'm trying to work with, I don't like having all this stuff in my space. And we're going to put this right there. Then we're going to take these little dots. Let's see. Do we want the blue or the berry burst? Let's do some berry burst. So let's do one here. One there. And one here. That looks like eyes. Ugh, I don't like it. Oh, goodness. Let's put it right there. Oh, gosh. Oh, and just so you know, this is half of the pack of this Tinsel Gems 4-pack. I cut half of it to keep with the other half of this card pack because I separated it in half. So this is this card done. Where's our first card? And here's our first one. Very cute, I believe. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.